Buenos días, estudiantes. Hoy es viernes y es el 17 de abril. Feliz viernes. Hoy es video viernes. Muy bien. Primero, el video de la señora Jones. And you are watching that right now. Número 1, mira el video de la señora Jones. Número 2, las horas de oficina. Ahora tengo horas de oficina, es como un check-in. Ustedes pueden hablar conmigo por video el martes y el jueves de las 10 hasta las 11. You can come and check in anytime between 10 and 11 to say hello, maybe see a few classmates, ask any questions, tell me how you're doing. This will be done in English or en español. So it's kind of just a time just to see how things are going. I'll be sending a link every Tuesday and every Thursday and an update right before 10 o'clock, okay? And if there's a reason why it can't happen, I'll also let you know that as well. Hoy es video viernes, entonces número 3, todo pasará. Beautiful song, and I'd like you to listen. And I'd like you to respond to pregunta número 1, pregunta número 2 y pregunta número 3 en español. I'm going to open this attachment so you can kind of see which questions I'm referring to. This is going to be a challenging activity. Do the best you can. I'd like you to complete all the blanks. Here are the words that you can choose, and then you can complete the blanks. I believe you can turn on the subtitles in español, and so you can kind of see as they're singing also. So that's a huge help. You're going to notice the past tense. You're going to notice regular verbs as well, which is fantastic. And then here are the 3 questions that I want you to respond to. Pregunta número 1, ¿cuál es el objetivo de este video? Número 2, ¿qué hacen para estar unidos? Y número 3, ¿cómo volveremos a cantar en el futuro? Volveremos significa return. ¿Cuál significa what or which? ¿Qué significa what? Y ¿cómo significa how? Okay? One discussion thread, pregunta número 1, pregunta número 2 y pregunta número 3. ¿Bien? Sí se puede. Y número 4, libro juvenil. We're going to begin writing the story for your children's book next week. But this week, as mentioned on Wednesday as well, is the week that we're starting to think about theme. So I'd like you to think about the children's books that you have read either in my class or perhaps you read children's books when you were younger. And what books were your favorite and why? And typically a lot of people refer back to illustrations, creativity, but there's always a theme in there. And so I want you to start thinking about theme. Y número 5, in addition to posting in the discussion thread, spend 5 to 10 minutes on each of the following today. Remember, the more vocabulario, the better understanding of your gramática. Un libro juvenil será mucho mejor. Okay? Also, Duolingo is fantastic for catching up. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 y 5. Have a great weekend. Feliz fin de semana y adiós, adiós.